Our guest today is Anand from Impetus, who's Director of Products. And what I'd like to do for people that are not already comfortable with what Impetus does and your traditional market, give me just a minute in terms of background. Who is Impetus?
Impetus is a big data analytics solutions company.
Okay.
We started off as a technology services company in 1996. And what's in focus now is the big data and analytics services part of the business that's been around since about 2007. So we've developed a very strong niche in that space.
Okay.
StreamAnalytix is the name of the product.
Okay.
It is a real-time streaming analytics platform for enterprises.
Okay.
And it lets enterprises build streaming analytics applications very rapidly and deploy them very quickly and take them into production. And we say streaming analytics, but it also includes static data, as in data that is not streaming. So you're able to blend streaming data with static information, enrich the context, and do analytics on the whole picture.
When did this come to market?
So we went GA in February.
Okay.
In the Strata conference in the West Coast. What is happening today is there is arising a space for streaming analytics platforms as a product category. So we would fit right there in that category. We're one of the few products that many large enterprises today are considering. Most important things, it's based on open source.
Okay.
So we bring to the enterprise the benefits of the open source technology movement and innovation, flexibility, ongoingly keeping up with the best of breed technology. But also we fill the gaps of usability, manageability, and the whole enterprise package of reliability, availability, manageability, and provide support and services to the enterprise. And all of these pieces is something they do not get with raw open source. So the unique thing about our product now is that it is a multi-engine platform. So we came to market with supporting Kafka, RabbitMQ as the message queues, and the streaming engine was based on Apache Storm.
Okay.
And it was all native to Hadoop and NoSQL. So we use Hadoop and NoSQL databases as a repository. And we support, so HBase, Cassandra supported. We support the Hadoop file system overall. And we also support Solr and Elasticsearch as indexing stores. Okay. Now, where this is going is in the first quarter of next year, we're going to go GA with the capability to have multiple engines under this platform. So an enterprise could use Storm or Spark under the same user interface. It's a nice abstraction that we provide. So developers in a large bank, etc., can have one familiar interface and deploy the application to Storm or deploy the application to Spark streaming. And subsequently, there could be others too, because we're actually building an abstract architecture. And when they see our UI, they're delighted, because you can take a real use case into production literally in hours, and you can actually make changes in an equally easy way. I think the value proposition to the business is velocity and real business impact. So you can actually envision new scenarios, new applications, new experiences for your customers based on real-time streaming analytics underneath, and operationalize that really quickly. Let's say, for example, somebody thinks of the marketing or business division in a large telecom company thinks that they want to take website traffic directly and use the signals in that to detect that a customer is possibly going to churn, and take immediate action and send them an offer. Okay. And let's say some data scientist came up with a new way of finding that, oh, when a customer clicks this and does that, this is a very likely signal that this customer is going to leave. Okay? And they want to operationalize that use case and application. It will take them, once they have our platform, in the order of just a few days to take that whole use case, get it operationalized, and put it into production. And we have done things like this in literally hours, right? So it gives them amazing agility. It gives the business agility in getting new applications and use cases out. So we actually have 3 versions on the website right now that you can go. Within 10 minutes, you can download and get an operational sandbox version of it on your desktop and start playing with it. And there's full-fledged enterprise trial versions available for 60 days. There's a light version available, which is free. So there's a number of different products, versions of the product that you can actually go analyze on the website and download.
Mm-hmm. All right. Well, thanks for joining us today. I appreciate it.
Great. Thank you.
And good luck with it.
Thank you.